Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technologies coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications. So what you'll want to do is go to the settings app right here, and you want to go up to the top section here where you see your name and your Apple ID account information. And the first thing you should do now, there's different reasons why people factory reset. You might be resetting because your phone is glitching, or you might be resetting because you need to give the phone back or sell it or do something like that. If you're trying to sell it or get rid of the phone, make sure you do disable Find My iPhone right here. First, if you're just resetting because it's glitches, then you don't necessarily need to disable to Find My iPhone features. So just important things to note: tap on Find My, and you're going to tap on Find My Phone and turn off. Now you will need to enter your Apple ID password to confirm it, and you're going to turn off. Now we're going to go Find My here and then go back to here. Next you will need to tap Sign Out, and this will sign you out of your iCloud and your Apple ID, so sign out. And then once you're signed out of all your accounts, then you will go and do the actual reset. Very important step: if you don't sign out these things and you're trying to get rid of the phone, it will not allow the next person to use the phone. So this important note, they're gonna swipe down to General, swipe up and go down to Reset, and tap the second option, Erase All Content and Settings, and then you're gonna enter your passcode you used to unlock the phone if you have one on the phone. Now once you enter your passcode, you'll tap Erase iPhone, and then Erase iPhone again. And that's it. Now your phone will begin erasing all the content that's on it, and give it about 5 minutes or so depending on how much you have on the phone. If you have a lot on the phone, it'll take long, but it should take at least about 5 minutes, and you'll know it's finished because it'll take you to welcome screen and it'll ask you to select the language. Thank you for watching.